You're watching your number one choice station, Pan African Television, a life of advertisement. Visit us today on www.panafricatv.blogspot.com, YouTube, www.youtube.com/panafricatv.com. Follow us on Twitter at PanAfricaTV. You will see all your favorite actors and actresses, movie making, interviews, soulmate products and activity. To place advert on our television station, call this number +234 80 08125334910. Pan Africa Television, a life of advertisement.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the Gozad Hotel for the most anticipated gospel event of the year, which is Ascending Praise 2018. The guests are already here, and also the audience are trooping into the hall. And I'm going to be your host for this red carpet, and it's brought to you by Pan African TV Unplug, and it's been hosted by Auntie. She's the host of Ascending Praise 2018. I'm going to be bringing you the glitz, the glamour, the interviews, the close-up shows, and everybody who is going to be performing here tonight are going to be on my red carpet. I'm going to take you through this streets. It's going to be fun-filled, and I just hope that you have so much fun as though you are here. I'm your host, Lady Maureen, and this is Ascending Praise 2018.
And she presents Ascending Praise, date 18 February 2018, time 2 p.m. with red carpet by Pan Africa TV. Your host, Chi, featuring Nkobi, Ben Josie, Mr. Noble, Buchi, TB1, Snowy, Young Emmy, Dayo Dayspring, Kenina, Abijo, Taiwo Ajayi, Favor, Dance Flame. Venue, Gozat Hotel, 31 Community Road, off Abula-Ado bus stop along Lagos Badagry Expressway, Lagos, Nigeria. Ticket, regular 1,000 naira, VIP 5,000 naira. For table reservation and inquiry, please call 081-844-54288 or 080-387-20629. Proudly supported by Pan Africa TV and
double heavenly blessings now him and they receive. Ah, yeah. God in your grace and mercy is always the follow. Yeah, God has given me victory. He has given me victory. Almighty God has given me victory. God has given me victory. He has given me victory. He has given me victory. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Double heavenly blessings that him and they receive. Ah, yeah. God in your grace and mercy is always to follow me.
Alright, now guess what? We have one of our headliners with me on the red carpet, and this is all because Pan African TV Unplugged is bringing you straight all the highlights and all the showbiz that's going to be taking place here tonight at Ascending Praise 2018. So tell me, this is Dayo Dayspring. So tell us, of music, there is secular and there's gospel. So why did you choose gospel?
Actually, I chose gospel because that is how I got trained. I started gospel way back in the church. So gospel is it.
Okay. Wow, that is very, very good to know. So tell us, what do you really think is going to be the outcome of Ascending Praise 2018?
Actually, Ascending Praise 2018 is, for this year, it's going to be a bumper harvest. One of the reasons why I'm saying that is because I myself am expecting from God, because it's not a meeting for just, I don't want to call it a show, because it's all about experiencing God. When praises go up, blessings must come down. So when praises ascend, blessings must descend. That's why we call it ascending praise.
Wow. Now he actually just reminded us of something. Ascending praise is going to bring descending blessings. Now, isn't that just interesting? Okay, you're one of the headliners for this event. So tell us, what should others who are actually here to listen to your ministration tonight, what else should they expect from you?
Wow. Everyone here tonight should come with the expectation of God. God tonight must be our experience. God tonight must be our experience. There's anything that is short, there's anything that we need to expect tonight, God must be involved. God, everyone that is coming from east, west, north and south, in fact, we must come with expectation of God receiving from heaven. And God himself is going to unleash on us his blessings.
Hallelujah. Wow, I'm feeling blessed already. Well, this is Dio Dayspring. He's going to be ministering tonight. He's one of the top-notch performing artists and also one of the headliners for this event. So as we still roll on, we'll still bring more artists, and we hope that more and more blessings will flow at Ascending Praise 2018. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
From glory to glory, that's my new name. From glory to glory, that's where I'm going. Hallelujah. Oh, hey. Oh. Hallelujah. Come on. All right. You are used to this one. You are used to this one all over the building. Are you ready? Hail my Jesus. Every day. Thank you. Hallelujah. He's the one, yes, he is. Oh, yeah. Hey! Come on now. Right now, this one is a remix of Hail My Jesus. Are you ready to give good praise? Make some noise. Hey! Hey! Like this. Hail my Jesus. Oh, yes. One more time. Hail my Jesus. Hail my Jesus. Somebody hail him. Oh. Come on. Hail my Jesus. Bring it on. I've been around the world, oh yes, searching for a miracle, but I found no one, hey, nobody like you. Oh, been so many places, looking for a better life, but I found no one. Oh, nobody like you, nobody like Jesus. Hail my Jesus. Everybody hail my Jesus. Oh yes. We give him praise tonight. Come on now. level via praise. Hey, hey, shout hallelujah, shout hallelujah, shout hallelujah, shout hallelujah, shout hallelujah, hey, shout hallelujah, shout hallelujah, hey, when you see me dance, I dance like a winner. Hey, somebody scream! Hey! Somebody make some noise! Salam. Let's go, come on! Now listen, are you ready to lift up God's name? If you're ready, make some noise! Hey! Say, kilometer me what? Oh ready, hey, Bible tell me why. Hey, hey, come on now. Are you ready? Now listen. How many of you know that God is bigger than the biggest? How many of you know that God is bigger than the biggest? If you believe it, make some noise. Say charge over. Hey! Come on! Make some noise! Hey! Jesus is great! Let me see. Choya. Onye neme maliki korem na laut. Onye neme maliki korem na laut. Onye neme maliki korem na laut. Onye tiyo maliki korem na laut. Onye neme maliki korem na laut. Onye neme maliki korem na laut. Onye neme maliki korem na laut. Choya. Second. Jesus is Lord. Onye neme maliki korem na laut. Onye neme maliki korem na laut. Hey, this is the maliki korem na laut. Onye neme maliki korem na laut. Onye Jehovah me, Jehovah Tama me, Jehovah Nisi me, Jehovah Tama me, Jehovah Nisi me, Jehovah Nisi me, Eshata me, Jehovah, Hidima, Jesus is Lord. Somebody is still standing. Somebody that needs to change level. Move away from your seat. Hey, second. Hey! is my custom that when I praise God, I will definitely eulogize him. We're already giving him praise too. Hallelujah. Are you ready to give him praise more? Listen, say, kilometer more. Come on.
Fìtì bọ́ṣọ́ olórí ayé gbogbo kò ní sábìrì ọ̀làdú kàkàkàkà òwò bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí ìjà ọlọ́run àwọn ọmọ ogun wẹ̀rí ti wẹ̀rí ọmọ dágbẹ́dágbẹ́ òfé pàràsọ lọ́rọ̀ bí àwọn ọmọ ṣe é gbé aṣíwájú ogun akẹ́yìn ogun àtọ́fíjọ́ ogun rán alágbára gíga ọ̀rọ̀ ńláńlá tí gbẹ́nu ọmọ èèyàn fọ ọ̀rọ̀ kàǹkà tí gbẹ́nu ayélujára ṣòro ẹni ayíká ọ̀tún ayíká ọlọ́run bàbá mi olórí ayé gbogbo àtọ́gbọ́gúnlé àtọ́gbọ́kọ̀lé àtọ́fẹ́yìn
Olúwa ẹ tóbi o, ẹ tóbi. Olúwa ẹ tóbi o, ẹ bá mi kọ́. Kò sẹ́ni tá a lè ṣàkàwé. Kò sẹ́ni tá a lè fi ṣàkàwé ẹ tóbi. Olúwa ẹ tóbi.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right now I'm blushing. I'm all blushing. This is one of my favorite gospel artists, and I'm so happy he's here to grace this event. It is no one else but Ben Josie. So, sir, tell us. Don't just tell me. How are you feeling exactly?
Well, I'm feeling fine, thank God. You know, today is a Sunday after church, and I had a video shoot yesterday. I've been doing production planning since the beginning of the week. Well, thank God I'm all good. I'm ready for tonight.
So what are we expecting? For me, I know what I'm expecting from you, nothing but the best, but what are they to expect from you?
Well, from me, you know, I don't just see music as something about performances alone, all right? So I'm just here to worship, to fellowship, and when I have the opportunity, according to the time I have, I believe I'll just do a rendition that will bless people, you know, yeah.
So, this show has actually been in anticipation. Everyone has been waiting for it, and finally it is here. Apart from yourself, there are other artists who are going to be present. So, which one are you looking out for?
Well, everybody on the list, I've one way or the other heard them very well. Apart from, like, I've worked closely with every one of them, apart from Bucci, that's on the handbill, that's on the poster, because I know they did a lot of adverts.
Exactly.
So they're all great people, and you know, I'm proud to be among them today.
Okay.
Yes, they're all great people.
Okay.
I'm expecting great things from them.
Great things. Okay, so tell me, in one word, what would you classify this event as? In one word.
Well, I think it's a pace setter, you know, for starters. When we do programs, there's a level of input we always use. So this program, from the publicity and from other aspects I've seen, I think it's trying to carve a niche, like create something that everybody should emulate, like a pattern among gospel program organizers in this environment. So I think it's a pace setter and it's a good thing anyway. Yes.
Thank you very, very much. You've heard it from himself, Ben Josie, one of the headliners for Ascending Praise 2018. So I just want to give a very big thank you. Thank you very much for coming to our radio.
Thank you so much.
Miracle in my life, there is a miracle in my life. Miracle in my life, there is a miracle in my life. Since I believe, I have seen a miracle in my life. Since I believe, I have seen a miracle. There is a miracle in my life. There is a miracle, yeah. Miracle in my life. There is a miracle, oh. Since I believe, I have seen a miracle in my life. Since I believe, I have seen a miracle. The greatest miracle for my life, be say I give my life to Jesus. The greatest miracle for my life, be say I give my life to Jesus. Since I believe, I have seen a miracle in my life. Since I believe, I don't see a miracle in my life. The greatest miracle for my life, be say I give my life to Jesus. The greatest miracle for my life, be say I give my life to Jesus. I have seen a miracle, yeah. There is a miracle in my life. There is a miracle in my life. There is a miracle, wonderful miracle, a miracle in my life. Since I believe, I have seen a miracle in my life. Since I believe, I have seen a miracle. One more time, I say miracle. There is a miracle in my life. There is a wonderful miracle, a miracle in my life. Since I believe, I have seen a miracle, yeah. Since I believe, I don't see a miracle in my life.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just like I said, I'm going to bring you the glitz, I'm going to be giving you the glamour and all the event showbiz on lockdown straight to you here on this event, which is Ascending Praise 2018. And guess who I have here with me? There's no one else but
Snow Hills.
Okay, so Snow Hills, tell me, are you going to be performing tonight?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so what are we to expect from you?
Well, I believe it's Ascending Praise.
Yeah.
We are here to give God thanks and also acknowledge His presence. Yeah, I'm here to do what God wants me to do, to minister, not just to sing. I didn't come here to entertain anybody. I only come here to minister, to change lives and also to impact lives. That's why I'm here.
Okay, so why did you choose gospel? I mean, there is secular and there's gospel, so why gospel?
Yeah, actually, I choose gospel because I want to make a record, you know. Gospel songs are songs that is mature, and I feel it more when I do more of gospel than doing the more of secular songs. I was once doing secular songs, but I had to drop the secular music and go into gospel songs because the words and my life for Christ, the love for Christ, made me choose the gospel songs. So I had to go into gospel song. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, for how long have you been into gospel music?
Yeah, it's quite long. Even when I was in my university, I've been doing gospel songs, but I've not come out with an album. Then I'm just doing more of like single kind of, yeah, exactly. That's what I do. But I would say I've been for gospel songs since 7 years now. I mean, gospel songs 7 years.
Wow, now that's a long time. So just tell us, give us one word you want to use in your anticipation for this event and also the possible outcome. Just one word.
To use what?
To just classify this event.
This is a global event.
Wow.
Global event.
Okay.
It's awesome. It's one of a kind. I appreciate it.
Okay. Thank you very, very much for being on our red carpet.
He's another one. Snow Hills. More sound. What up? And when I wake up in the morning, I'll give you all the praise. And
And you are God Almighty, Lord, I glorify your name. My God, you are worthy to be praised. For there is no one like you, Lord, and magnify your name. All my life, all my life, all my life, Jesus, I'll magnify your name. All my life, all my life, all my life, Jesus, I'll magnify your name. Oh, yeah. And you are King, no King like you. And you will never forevermore, my everlasting King. And you will say what you will do, you will never fail. You'll never leave at all, you're always on time. All my life, all my life, Jesus, I'll magnify your name. Whoa, all my life, all my life, yeah, all my life, Jesus, I'll magnify your name. You are King, your kingdom never ends. You reign forevermore, my everlasting King. You are King, your kingdom never ends. You reign forevermore, my everlasting King. You are King, your kingdom never ends. You reign forevermore, my everlasting King. You are King, your kingdom never ends. You reign forevermore, my everlasting. All my life, all my life, all my life, Jesus, I'll magnify your name. All my life, all my life, all my life, Jesus, I'll magnify your name. I'll magnify your name. I'll magnify your name. Oh, yeah. All my life. Oh, yeah. Slowly, slowly. Come on, put your hands together for Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. I'll magnify your name. You are King. Oh, yeah. Jesus, yeah. Jesus, yeah. Wonder, wonder, God, therefore, 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 yeah. Jesus, there for my family. Jesus, there for my business. If I call him more, he go answer me. If you call him more, he go answer you. If you trust him more, he won't disappoint you. Jesus, there for my business. Jesus, there for my family. If you touch me, I will go gas you. Jesus, there, yeah. Jesus, there for yeah. 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 Wonder, wonder, God, 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 there for yeah. I want to talk ask me so. Them they ask me so. Now waiting they make me smile. I just tell them so. I just tell them now God, now Him they make me they smile. Now Him they butter my bread. Now Him they favor me. Now Him they give me money. Now Him they bless me. Now Him they follow me. Oh, Jesus day, yeah. Jesus day for yeah. 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 Wonder, wonder God 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 day for yeah. Yaga yogo yaga yigi yaga yaga yaga. Here. Oh. Yeah, they feel for my head. I they feel for my body. I they feel for my leg. I they feel for my head. I they feel for my body. Oh, I they feel for my leg. I they feel more. Jesus they for ya. Jesus they ya. Jesus they for ya. Jesus they. Jesus they. Jesus they. Jesus they for ya. Jesus they. Wonder, wonder God they for ya. Wonder, 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 wonder. Wonder, wonder God. Wonder, wonder. Hallelujah. Come on, put your voice high. Say, sweet Jesus, I love you. All the glory belongs to Jesus. He alone deserves all worship. He alone deserves the praise. All the glory belongs to Jesus. I bless your name. Thank you.